Hello friends, my name is Jatin. Today I am going to teach you a poster making, how to make it a poster of a global warming. Please take a pencil, take your eraser, take your marker and few colors. Now we are going to start. Here one circle for showing the earth, which is fully hot. I want to show. So I'm going to show a few flames. Here few flames. Here earth is crying. And here I am going to show a reasons why global whole world is warming. Here first I want to show a main problem that I want to show is a population. Day by day a population is rising and rising. So it's a population first, and one more major cost, pollution, which is done by factories, which is done by even also noise by vehicles, fuels and different. So that makes also a, a big chronicle problem in our world. Here I am going to show a bridge and one car going on and its fumes. At the downside I am going to show a factory. Even also lot of pollutions of the factory, even also noise of the factory. So whole world is full of pollutions. So I feel that a major two causes are population and pollution. Sometimes I feel that peoples are also destroying a nature. They are cutting down the trees. So I am going to make it branches. Even also they are disturbing the nature. No more greenery is found at far places in our world. So I feel that it is also a major problem. Here our drawing is finished. Now I am going to color it. First I will be coloring the flame. First I will be taking red. I want to show flame with a natural color. First we will take it red. Going towards downside. Now I am going to take it orange. And lastly I will be taking a yellow. If you got a deep yellow, you can use a deep yellow color, chrome yellow or a deep yellow color. It will give more effect of the burning effect. Now I'm going to take it yellow to show the effect. Here my flame is ready. Few flames going towards earth using a flame upside colorful by orange and yellow. Now I'm going to take it light green color on the part of the greeny earth there, and rest of I am going to take it sky blue color. First cover the border. It's a sad world, it's a crying world. It's urging to the people, stop the pollution. Few skies here. Wherever you got it, you found it sky, you had to cover it with a sky blue color. Here a factory with a light tone of a black color. Here a steam which is coming out from the factory, and a clouds, polluted clouds in the sky. In future it will be also getting a problem where rainfall will be converted into acid fall. Now here my factory is done. Few sky blue in the sky remained, and here door. Now again few trees have been cutted, and due to tree cutted, lot of warmness occurs on the world. So I am showing this one, a cutted trees which have no good coolness. So I am making this in a red, orange and yellow. So whole world passing through a warmness. Even downside. Now and the peoples take it light brown color, fill it inside. So here whole concept is ready. Even also you can make it by your own self, friends. Even also you can make it a whole earth with a flame, a whole earth very in a sad mode. Even also you can change the color mode if you want to change the color mode. Make it your own self. This is a formal idea for you. Thank you.